G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. I'll just continue here adding my little drops of bloom. I've already got some in there. I'm just going to add a few more. Just got to wait till I squeeze it, wait till it comes to the end and then let go. And that's it. All right, that's all I need. Give it a wipe, close it again, and that's my bloom. So I am going to have another go at the Daisy Belly. I think maybe it's the Daisy Bell. Maybe it just got lost in translation. Not sure. Anyway, Daisy Bell, whatever. This was probably my favorite that I've done. Love the petals. So I'm going to go again. This was Let's Resin. This one's Pro Marine, Part A, Part B, 1-to-1. Pro Marine Tabletop Epoxy. Nice thick resin. So give that white a really good mix. I did mix up 120 grams of A and 110 grams of B. So this is the Mauve by Holbein. Yep. Make sure you open it away from your bottles because you get little dry bits in there. I'm going to just start with 3. It's an acrylic ink. Let's see what 3 looks like. I think if you have too dark a colour, it affects your petals. Yeah, it does affect them. Your white doesn't kind of drop down as well, so try not to have it too dark. It still needs to be transparent. I think we'll leave it at that. We'll go 3. And then I've got magenta. Quinacridone magenta. And we'll see what 3 of those look like as well. And then while I've got it, I'm going to put one drop. I may do another one. Maybe just 1 drop in there for my push. All right, let's see if this is going to be enough. Haven't got quite as much in this little cup as I have in that one, so I think that'll be all right. Like I said, I think it does affect the way that the petals form if the colours are too dark. I know I had that problem months ago, last year, when I was doing like the Larimar effect, things like that. If you had it too dark, it just didn't work. So yeah. All right, well, that's pretty, isn't it? 1 drop. And you look at it on the stick, you can't see the colour at all, but because it's relatively deep in there, you can see the colour. Bits of glitter in here. Okay, so there we go. I have my dark, my light, my white. Actually, I've got a tiny little bit of resin in here. And I thought I'm just going to add a little bit of this pink topaz. It is glitter. I know I don't usually use the glitter, but I'm going to try, because you know how it doesn't close up and end up having to put a sticker or something on it. I just want to see if maybe I put the glitter in and it kind of just spread and I can just have like a pretty glittery center. That's my thoughts for this one, okay? Ice Resin, Opals, Pink Topaz, Opal by Ranger. That one. All right, let's see if I can remember how to do this. It was last year when I did this. I know you're still seeing fairy flowers and daisy bellas and things like that, but some of them I did months ago, and I'm just kind of easing them back in. I don't want to flood you with too many, but yeah, I did them months ago. So I just need to remember what I did, I think from memory. And I think what I want to do is I want to put the dark or the purple around their side there, because it's going to move in anyway. It's going to move in. It wants to move to the center. And get all that out. If you want to know exactly how much of everything to use and which resins work best, I will put the link down below for you for resin courses, and you can take one of the courses, a few of the courses, whichever one you sort of like the look of. You can choose. and then you'll know what to do. Although in saying that, all the resins are different. This particular technique, you need a thick resin, so the Let's Resin 1-to-1 is a nice thick one. I've also used Pro Marine, that works as well. Elichem's Ultracast is thick as well, that works. I've just ordered another resin from within Australia to try that, so we'll see how that one goes. And I've got glitter. I don't know where the glitter comes from. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is just pour in the white. It's just going to go in the center, like so. So yeah, I'm using my Bloom pigment paste. There's a lot of different whites you can use, and I think they'll all work. You just have to adjust the number of drops, because some pastes are heavier than others, some contain more oil than others. So yeah, they're all different, but I personally think they'll all work. You just need to adjust how many drops you're using. Like my Bloom's pretty heavy. I don't need to use as many drops as if I was using, say, Cast and Craft. You know, you probably have to use almost double the amount of Cast and Craft. So you'll use it a lot faster. The Bloom goes a long way because it's quite heavy. All right, now, there's talk about doing a hard push, a slow push, a spiral push, all kinds of pushes. Anyway, I'm just going to pour it in. Just pour it in. Because I do want the resin to move to the edges and then come back in. Like so. And I can see that there's quite a big area on the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it. There's quite a big area there where the white's been pushed out, and then it doesn't come back in. I don't know if you can see that or not. And even like if you tried to suck that center, you'd find that the resin was coming from the top layer and not the bottom layer. So by the looks of it, I will have quite a big hole like that. But if you have seen Micah do her Daisy Belly, that's how it is, right? We just have to, people are so fixated on getting the center to close, myself included. Oh, I got a big center empty, put a sticker on it. If I don't mind if it looks pretty. Where have I got one? This one. See, the center looks pretty, even though it's got nothing in the middle. Well, it's got a bit of glitter, but it still looks pretty. So if I get something like that, I'm happy. If I get something that's, see this one, see how it's got a heap of white, all blobby under the sticker? Don't like that. So I'd have to cover it. So we'll just have to wait and see what I get. And then, you know, we'll decide on if we need a sticker or not. But anyway, let's put some of this in now, and then I can just, oh, it's very runny. Then I can just walk away from it. So hopefully this will kind of spread nicely, do its own thing. Make sure you don't drip anywhere that you don't want glitter to be. Make sure it's in the center. As much as you can in the center. Push it down a bit. I guess it'll spread. At the moment it's kind of floating. But I think given it some time, I think it will just sort of spread out and do its own thing. There's quite a lot there. I mean, it just looks like a little ball at the moment, but I think it will spread out. Now these little holes like this, I don't like those. If I see them, I'll try and cover them up. I'm just worried that you might get something ugly on the other side. So if you see like a hole like that from a bubbles, I think they're generally from the bubbles that they pop and then it leaves that little hole. But yeah, if you do see one, if you're still in the room, try to pop it. All right, that's it. I'm just leaving that. It's hard not to torch or syringe or anything, but let's just leave it. walk away. I've only got about 30% left on my battery, so I will put you on a small little time lapse as far as my battery will allow. It'll just turn off, I guess, once it's done. I will see you at unmolding time. Okay, I have just taken it out of my food dehydrator and it's looking a little bit kind of wispy. I can't really see into the center, so I can't see what's going on under there. Let's just have a little look. If I can get it out, there we go. Just get it started and then we'll be good. Still a bit bendy on the edges because it's warm. You know how when resin gets warm, it gets soft and bendy. Hot potato, hot potato. I will link my large rock edge mold for you down in the description if you want that one. All right, I can see through the center where the glitter is, which is fine. I wonder if it's closed over, you guys. Oh, I'm nervous. You know the feeling, don't you? You really want to look, but you don't, in case it hasn't worked and you're really disappointed. And that feeling of disappointed is so sad. All right, has to be done. Here we go. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, wow, look at it, you guys. It's beautiful. I did it, I did it, I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow. I can't believe it. Let's have a look. Right, let's have a look. So we've got this darker edge here all the way around. It's pretty symmetrical. All the way around we've got that darker edge. And then here we've got some smaller petals and they're a little bit lighter than that, but they're still purple. So we've got a dark purple, we've got a lighter purple. Look at that. And we've actually got multi layers of petals. Yay! And then we've got some pink, little pink all the way around there. And then we've got some white. Not 100% sold on those white ones. They're a bit bigger, but look, it's fine. It kind of goes from darkest to lightest, and we're ending with some white. And then that gorgeous glitter. I was hoping that the glitter would do that, you know, rather than just be a big disc. Because sometimes when you get your, you know, your disc, whichever disc you use, sometimes it can just look a bit round, you know, round edge. Whereas, I mean, I've used them a lot and I do like them, but I just wanted to see if I could get a more kind of natural look, which I have with the glitter, because it's kind of floated away a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. All right, I need to put this down and go for a little walk. Go for our little walk around the studio. What are you guys barking about? I'm trying to talk to people on YouTube. Why are you all barking? Come here and say hi. Come on. Hi. What you all doing? Hello. Hi. All right, we're going to get back to this. Look, this is what we've come to see, not you. Okay? Behave. Be quiet while I'm talking. Okay? Come and sit with you in a minute. We'll finish watching Survivor. All right. Sorry about that. What can you do? Live videos. You can't do much about it. Oh, all right. So here we go. There's that glitter glittering away in the center. Now, if you wanted to pick up, you know, your glitter in the center, you could put some silver around the edge just to sort of balance the silvery glitteriness in the middle. You don't have to, but you could if you wanted to. There's a little close-up for you. Getting some really pretty petals going on in there. Oh! Sorry, excuse me. No, that was my pressure pot. And again, it has to go off right in the middle of my video. I've got something in there. And if the pressure drops, it's set to, oh, I can show you. Can I show you? It's set to 65. So if it starts dropping below that, the compressor will automatically turn on. And it's loud. It is. There it is. Down there. So yeah, sorry about that, but live videos. we're just all over the place today. Okay. Back to this. All right, let's have a little look here. Pretty lights. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I can go and sit down now. Go make a coffee, sit down, finish watching Survivor. You know what I did? I love Survivor. I have gone back to the very first Survivor, season 1, and I have just been watching them. You know, when you just want something on in the background, you know, when I'm editing videos or chatting to people about resin or whatever, and I just have Survivor on in the background. And I think I'm up to, gosh, what am I up to? 15 or something, season 15. No, it must be higher than that. I've just watched Heroes versus Villains. So I love that one. Yeah. So yeah, I'm watching them all over again. So anyway, verbal diarrhea today. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again real soon for the next one. Take care. Bye for now.